With such an abnormal year this year, we wanted to build some new tools into DataOnTouch that would help with harvest. So to get to these new tools, you just log into DataOnTouch.com, or you can go to your iPad app, DataOnTouch, and log in. Once you're logged in, you get to the home screen that looks like this. You can go into WeatherView. From here, you select your account, and it's going to log you into WeatherView. From here, I want to select the field that I want to look at. So I go over here to my fields options. And so I have my two farms, and then the field I want to look at is called West. So I'm going to select West. From there, I can see the weather information currently for that field, what weather station we're looking at. But what I want to go to and show you right now is in the Trend Data tab. So I'm going to click Trend Data. And what this is going to do is produce a chart for me. And over here on the left-hand side, I can look at the weather stations I'm looking at. I can change my varieties for the field and my planting date. So for this field, I planted on June 3rd. And then for the varieties, you can see I have DKC 5520. But over here, where I have varieties, I can select, for example, corn. And it's going to have all the different corn varieties listed. And I can scroll down and see all the different corn varieties that I have in our system. So from there, we can look on the planting date, which was, I told you, was June 3rd. And then we have another line here, which is called black layer. And so I can see when our projected black layer was, which was September 25th. And then we have two additional lines above that, 25% moisture and 20% moisture. And it's going to project out then what day those are going to happen. So as I scroll my line across here, I can see roughly today, October 1st, that we're going to be pretty close to 25% moisture. And then if I project out for even further, I can see about October 15th, we can project 20% moisture. And these numbers are basically using black layer, which is we get from our seed catalogs. And then we use growing degree day units and heat to determine how quickly it's going to dry down to 25% and 20%. And again, these are estimates. It's just for you to kind of get an idea of when these things might be happening.